Hey guys, it's Friday night here in New York, the end of a very long work week. I'm exhausted, but it's also the beginning of another month of tech launches. Today, October 2nd, a new phone was announced, the Motorola RAZR 5G. The second iteration of this new modern RAZR with a foldable display. This year on the channel, I've done very few dedicated unboxing videos, but this packaging screams unboxing. I mean, take a look at that. It's unlike any smartphone box we've seen at all this year, with an unusual shape, a plastic window up top, and these curves. So I figured before I work on my review, let's unbox it together. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH. You're watching GadgetMatch. This is our Moto RAZR 5G unboxing. In the US, the Moto RAZR 5G is available starting October 2nd. It's available unlocked from Motorola.com, Best Buy, Amazon, and B&H Photo. The unlocked model only comes in polished graphite and retails for $13.99 before taxes. Now, if you get it from AT&T, it's also available in its other color variants: blush gold and liquid mercury. My buddy and foldable phone aficionado Michael Fisher says liquid mercury is what RAZR fans will want because of its matte finish and its similarities to the original. I, on the other hand, couldn't wait, so I traveled all the way to Queens where there was one Best Buy that had this phone in stock and available for pickup because I really wanted to get this video out to you as soon as possible. So let's not waste any time and get straight on with our unboxing. Alright, I didn't get to unbox the original Moto RAZR, but I'm told packaging is similar. So how do we open this? It says lift up, not sideways. Got it. Let's slice through this tape, there and there. And now we're ready for liftoff. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, do I get free sunglasses? Inside the spectacle case are all the accessories. What do we have here? A SIM ejector tool, USB-C to headphone jack adapter, a 15-watt turbo power charging brick, USB-A to C cable, and tucked away here are the user guides. Nice. Cool way to store our accessories. Let's set this aside for now. Moment of truth. Let's get to the other side of the box. And there it is, the Moto RAZR 5G. This one is polished graphite, bordering between a dark gray and black. Immediately, this phone feels more premium and better designed than the original. Let's flip it open together. Motorola says they've made some adjustments to the stainless steel hinge so that the flexible screen feels more tight when open. The crease is still visible, but it disappears when you turn the display on. This Flex View display, as Motorola calls it, measures 6.2 inches and is an OLED panel. The power button, by the way, has been moved to the left-hand side of the phone to give it more separation from the volume rocker on the right. The fingerprint sensor has also been moved from the chin to the back of the phone, right here where the Motorola logo is. Because of this move, the chin has been reduced slightly. Underneath it are the speaker grills, USB-C port, and the SIM card tray. The phone supports one physical nano SIM and an eSIM. But the biggest changes to the phone, apart from the addition of 5G, is that the front display is much bigger and more usable. It's called a Quick View display. Apart from loading notifications, you can load apps like Twitter or Google Maps, respond to text messages, and take photos. Now, one cool feature of this packaging is that this stand also doubles as a not-so-techy boombox, with a cavity inside and what looks like speaker grills. It's a nice addition so that you don't throw the box away. Instead, you can use it as an amplifier for playing music with the RAZR 5G. The Moto RAZR 5G is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G system on a chip, a significant upgrade from what was on the original Moto RAZR. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. There are 2 cameras on the device. When opened up, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera, and right above the Quick View display is its main 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, with laser autofocus and OIS. Finally, it's got a larger 2,800 mAh battery. I'm curious to see if that is big enough for this phone to last a full day on a single charge. Of course, we will investigate along with other questions that you might have, so let me know what you'd like to know about the Moto Razr 5G. Leave me a message in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer some of the most important questions in my review video. And to make sure you don't miss that video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Does it work? Thanks for dropping by.